Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to create a group on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to connect with a group of friends, colleagues, or family members and share conversations, photos, and videos. So today I'm going to show you how to create a group on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. On this page, tap on this three dots icon on the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on New Group. Here, add the participants for your group. You can either choose in this contact list or you can use the search bar and type the names of the contacts you want to add. You can select multiple contacts by tapping on their names. Once you have selected all the participants, tap on this arrow icon. This will take you to the group setup page. In this page, you can add a group name by tapping on this provided field. For example, I will name it Friends. After that, you can also add a group photo by tapping on this camera icon next to the group name. You can choose a photo from your gallery, take a new one using your device camera, use emojis and stickers, or you just search on the web. For this video, I will just choose from my gallery. Once I've set the group name and photo, tap on this check button to create the group. After that, WhatsApp will create the group with the selected contacts and will take you to the group chat window. Now, you can start messaging and sharing content with the members of your group. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create a group on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create a group on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.